So it seems like a perfect time for this video, as OnePlus 8T is a popular flagship now. And many of you have asked me about the best cases for this device, as the official ones are priced like crazy. And thus, I did not buy any of those, even for review, because it is just not worth it to spend this much on cases. Anyways, here are some of the good cases that I have been using with my device for quite some time now. So let's get into it. So the first one is this red, no grey, no this black one, just kidding. So this one is made up of hard silicone and plastic, and the back here is textured, so it does help a lot in keeping a good grip over the device. The alert slider is quite easily reachable, so no issues there, and the volume and power keys are also protected. Plus the buttons are clicky as they should have been in the first place, and I faced no issues in using this device even with the case on every single time. Also, there is a thin ring around the camera to protect it a bit more, and it keeps the case slightly raised when placed on a flat surface. So the device is protected completely, and in some area it is even better than official cases as they sit flushed with the camera. You also get a couple of colors to choose from, so black, grey and this red one, and fit and finish wise all of these are similar. And you can get these from Skinify, so I'll leave a link in the description area. Anyways, you save a lot of money just in case you are planning to purchase original ones and you want good quality third party cases. So the next one we have here is this black silicone case. And this one also has a couple of colors to choose from. And like the other ones, this one also provides all-round protection to the device. The buttons are also protected, and overall the case feels nice in hand. And on the inside, this one has this velvet sort of material which will keep the back glass safer. Plus this same material is used in edges too, hence you get better drop resistance. Though I will not recommend dropping the device intentionally. Overall this case isn't that bulky either, and I think it will protect the device quite nicely, as this one is also raised around the camera bump, so yeah, this one is also a good pick. And just in case you like to show off the color of your device, then this silicone case looks really good for the price. Though the one that you get with the device is also quite good, but just in case yours in this condition, you can buy this clear case from Skinify, and it will cost you around 150 rupees, which isn't that much, and the edges have a good drop protection. So just in case you want to make your own custom case, then buy this clear one and pair it with the skin. And in that too, you get a lot of options to choose from. So as a result, you get a great looking case for your device that protects it quite nicely, and you get many options just by choosing n number of skins. And this case provides you with this cool looking effect in dark, just in case you are into that. And that's it for now. These are some of the great options that you get for this OnePlus 8T. So do like this video if it helps you out, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you in the next one.